Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete a listing on Airbnb. Before you start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Airbnb is an online marketplace that connects people who want to rent out their homes with people who are looking for accommodations in specific locales. Airbnb offers people an easy, relatively stress-free way to earn some income from their property. So, if you want to delete a listing on Airbnb, then just go to your browser and type airbnb.com/hosting on the search bar and hit enter. It will take you to your hosting dashboard where you can see all your listings. Now click on Menu and click on Listings. And click on Listing Details tab. And after a bit of scrolling, you will find Listing Status option. Click on Edit button. Now among 4 options, choose the Activate button. Now give your reasons of you leaving the platform and hit Next. And now your listing is deleted. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.